Good morning, student. This is an online session for class 2, chapter number 1, computer and electronic device. Now students, what is a computer? Computer is an electronic device, okay, that runs on electricity. So what is computer? Computer is an electronic device. Okay. Now why we call electronic device? Because it runs on electricity. Okay. Now we know that computer is used everywhere. Okay. So what are the uses of computer? With computers we can play games, write letters, then watch movies, cartoons, listen to music, solve sums. Now, what are the uses of computer? Uses of computer. What are the uses? First, we can draw pictures. Then we can write letters. Then we can play games. Then solve sums. And so on. Okay. Now we can compare computer versus man. Okay, computer versus man. Now here, look at here. This is a computer, and that is a man. Now there are different features. Okay, we are going to discuss. Now we are comparing a man versus a computer, or we can say a living things versus computer. Okay. Now first point, a computer works very fast and can do many jobs at the same time. Okay. So computer works very fast here, whereas a man is not fast as a computer. Okay, man works fast but not as fast as computer. Now second point, a computer has a good memory. It never forgets anything that stored. Okay, so computer has a good memory and it never forget anything that is stored in CPU. Okay, now whereas a man may forget the information that is stored in his mind. Okay, now suppose I am giving you a question to do and you may forget it. Okay, so you may remember it after some time and then you do it. But here computer never forgets anything. Okay, if you give some data to computer, it will give you the exact data whenever you want, because computer is a machine. Now third point, computer doesn't make any mistakes. Okay, if we do some sums in computer or searching something, so computer will not make any mistake. Okay, it always give you a correct answer, a accurate answer, whereas a man can make mistakes. Okay, yes, whereas there are something where we do mistakes. Okay, mistakes in fact prove us to trying to do more, so because we are not machines, so we can make mistakes. Point, computer cannot take its own decision. Okay, oh, computer is such a wonderful machine, but it cannot take its own decision. Okay, it's totally dependent upon man. Okay, when man give order to computer, then only it will work. Otherwise, it will not work. So this is the area where computer lacks. Here, whereas a man can take his own decision. Okay, here no one will order a man to do what to do. Your machine will not order you have to do this, you have to do that. Okay, man can take his own decision. Now, fifth point. A computer works with man's order. A computer works on a man's order. Yes, whatever orders a man gives to computer, computer follows that. Okay, if suppose if a man says a computer to on the computer, it will on. If a man says to shut down, it will shut down. Okay, so a computer works on man's order. It is totally dependent on man. Okay, computer totally dependent on man. Whereas a man doesn't need any order to work. Okay, man did not need any order to work. Okay, the man has its own brain and it can work on its own. Now, the sixth point. A computer does not have any feeling. Okay. If you hit the monitor, if you hit the computer, it has no feeling. It will not feel pain or it will not cry. Okay. It has no emotion. Whereas a man has feeling. For example, if you get hurt, you feel it. Suppose if you get hurt, you get pain. Okay. So we have a feelings. So a man has a feeling, a computer does not have a feeling. Okay. Now we have seen the difference between computer and man. Okay. So here you must be thinking that computer is such a wonderful machine and we are not. Okay. Let me conclude. Man is the best creation of God. Okay. Man is the only person who has created the computer. A computer is created by man. Okay. I hope this topic is clear to you. Of course, computer is a wonderful machine, but it is created by man. Computer is created by man. Like I said, man, man is the best creation of God. Hope this topic is clear to you. Please revise. Okay, this is the first exercise that you need to do. Okay, here we have computer and here man. So you need to draw the arrows to these respective boxes. Okay, this is the first exercise that you need to do in a first page.
In new page, write this question answers. There are 4 questions. Okay, thank you.